SMT Nation, we back. Nation, it looks like possibly AT&T has turned a corner and the worst may be behind them. All right, first of all, let me just let you guys know right off the rip, I am not a financial advisor. I don't even care what ends up happening with these companies with respect to the stock market and what the shares are valued at. But I think this is important only because I feel like this is what the market feels towards AT&T. So it gives you an idea of the pulse of investors and where the financial institutions see AT&T heading. All right, I'll go ahead and identify the source here on this article is Barron's. I'll put the link in the description for you. Also in the description is the real SMT Buy Me a Coffee link. Want to support your creators directly? Appreciate the content on the channel. Buy us a coffee. Keep the SMT caffeinated and motivated. Also, if you're looking for a really good deal on your wireless service, think you're paying too much, not getting the customer care you want? All right, check out our wireless partner, Mint Mobile. They've got great deals on wireless service. They've got the legendary customer care. And right now, all of their plans are on special promotion through the deflation promotion. All plans are $15 per month. This includes the 10 gig, 15 gig, and even the unlimited plan. Everything. $15 per month. Use our promo code or our partner code, which is mintmobile.com/SNEED. Sneed. All right, so use it. You'll save money. You'll be helping out the channel in the process. All right, so the article, AT&T has led the way down for telecoms, why the stock is grabbing an upgrade. Basically, what I think is happening here, a well-known telco market research group known as MoffettNathanson and their team of analysts have kind of readjusted their rating on AT&T, and they've got it listed as, I guess, improving, based on the fundamentals. They said that they have overshot the target price. A further cut is probably no longer required. I think when they indicated they had it valued at like $17. It's currently trading in the $15 range. Anyways, the ticker price doesn't really matter, but when I'm looking at the trajectory and kind of where the stock has been, it's been down. They've been getting crushed essentially. I mean, the steep drop that they saw in April when they missed on the free cash flow, it came in around $1 billion, and then for the rest of the year, they still are tracking for a $16 billion free cash flow, which means they've got $15 billion over the next 3 quarters. So it sounds to me like that is basically why they feel, a little bit better about the stock moving forward. Meanwhile, T-Mobile is down, Verizon is down, and I guess both of them got downgrades by a couple of dollars. So one company gets an upgrade of a couple of bucks. The other 2 companies get downgrades of a couple of bucks. Nothing really big there if you're a long-term investor. You're in these companies. Maybe you're in AT&T and Verizon for the dividend. But if you're looking towards the growth of T-Mobile, they've pulled back some of their spending for upgrade promotions. Verizon has done that as well. AT&T continues to maintain their promotions even on their entry-level unlimited plans. So they're still pretty competitive, and maybe that's why they're a little bit more upbeat about their subscriber growth. But the expectation is that the industry is going to see a little bit of a slowdown. So AT&T well-positioned to remain competitive in the space. Verizon and T-Mobile kind of pulling back promotions, indicating they're going to kind of be flat when it comes to the growth. So whatever growth they've been seeing, it's probably going to continue to be the same. AT&T should be able to be one of the competitors in the marketplace that garners considerations from customers looking for device promotions. So that appears to be the thing. It appears to be the competitive edge with the promotions and then the rest of the year outlook on the free cash flow. And additionally, I know that there is some investment headed towards AT&T. I just saw the story about Apollo funding, giving AT&T $2 billion in preferred equity value for AT&T Mobility, which I don't know if that's going to be to help with debt. I don't know if that's going to be for investment into CapEx. But I will tell you that using $2 billion from Apollo to replace $8 billion in, I think what they refer to as, what was it, some other kind of security issue that they had. It was like preferred interest. But there's still money going AT&T's way. And, they're still landing contracts and they're still showing some growth and they're still profitable. right? And they're hitting on all cylinders when it comes to fiber, and they're still pretty good in wireless. Maybe it is just kind of overdone and that it's all doom and gloom at AT&T. To me, I see good signals, right? Signals that the worst may be behind them, and then they're able to move forward and they can make some good decisions that could help them going in the right direction. All right, so what do you guys think? Are these good indicators for you? Do you think that the bottom has come and gone and now it's going to be, gradual upside for AT&T? Or do you disagree? Do you think there's a lot bearing down the company? I could tell you, based on the way they've been moving, they've been really trying to streamline their business, lean out, be more profitable, focus on margins, but they've still remained pretty competitive. We'll see how this plays out. The rest of the quarter, we got the earnings coming up here in a few weeks for Q2. We'll see how the tone of the market is and how they perceive AT&T. Your thoughts and opinions, welcome down below. You are the voice of the people, the SMT Nation. Let your voice be heard.